All Lamb Plus members can go onto their Lamb Plus homepage and look up the weighing report. Here you will see a full list of all the animals and the weights recorded them that are in your flock. This screen and this report will help you to monitor the performance of lambs throughout the year, as well as highlighting high performing and low performing animals. The screen, which you can see here, will allow you to select by breed, by the animal age, by the sex and by the weight date. So it will allow you to focus in on a specific weighing if you wish. If we take the example of this flock, we can see here I have just selected the 2020 lambs. We can see just below the bar chart here that our 2020 lambs have an average weight of 15.28 kilograms. There's a minimum weight of 2.5 kilograms, a maximum weight of 37, and an average daily gain of 320 grams. If we then look a little closer at this data, we'll see that the range is quite big there, from 2.5 to 37 kilos, but of course this is all weights recorded for 2020 lambs. If we just select our dates for weights recorded in April, we can see our lambs now change to an average live weight of 25.69 kilograms. We have a minimum lamb weight of 12.5 kilograms and a max of 37 kilograms. And our average daily gain has increased to 350 grams per day. If we want to look at the top performing lambs in our flock, we can stay with our April weights, but now we can narrow down our bar chart to just our high performing lambs. This will increase our average lamb weight to 33 kilos, with a range from 30 to 37 kilos, and our average daily gain increases to 420 grams per day. As well as looking at the high performers in the flock, we can also look at the poor performers. So if we select the lesser lambs in this graph, we can see that we have an average lamb live weight of 17.11 kilograms, with a range from 12.5 up to 19 kilograms, and an average daily growth rate of just 240 grams. So this really shows us that our top performers at 420 grams, there's a major difference between them and our poorer performers down at 240 grams. This is really important for us to monitor the performance of the lambs and highlight the lambs that are doing very well and the lambs that are doing not so well, and maybe we can find a reason for that. When using these filters in the weigh report, if you scroll down the page, you'll see the full list of animals that fit the criteria of this filter. It will give the animal's identification, the sex of the animal, the date of birth, the breed, the date it was last weighed, and the average daily gain since its previous weight. Here you can click on the animal's details and you can go into its parentage, etc., and find out all you need to find out about the animal.